Parang naka-ano pa rin siya. Tapos may...
Pushing!
Hello guys! Today we're going to STEM at the zoo. Yay!
Edmonton Valley.
We're here guys!
Dito na tayo guys.
Maliit, dapat doon pa tayo.
And guys, we're walking to sa Edmonton Valley.
Yeah!
Ito si Elliot.
Hello guys!
Excited ka ba?
Yes. Daddy, last time we went here,
Last year, snow.
Walang
mainit.
animals. Walang maraming animals.
Katagong animals. Dati? Ngayon, maliwanag na. Maaraw na. Spring na,
I wonder if I can see a spider. Guys, nandito na kami.
Di ka na guys! Malamig.
First time ni Daddy Ron.
First time, it's my first time.
Dali. Elliot, picture.
Hey, pang thumbnail.
Dali.
Pang thumbnail namin ni Elliot.
Game. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Tumayo ka na ayos. Game. 1, 2. Ako, hindi ako sali.
Hello.
6 PM na. Ito malamig. Hindi binabanas ako. Look. Nice.
Lapit kay Rita.
Okay. Kaya. Ready, 1, 2. Ito pa, 1, 2. Sapat yan.
Huwag kang tatalon. Hindi mo naman umakyat mula dito hanggang doon sa taas. Tenny, you want to go there? Tenny, go to Daddy. Elliot. Go to Daddy, dali.
I'm gonna climb it.
Dali. Guys, ito ang dandelions. Tama ga? Dandelions. Yan, ganito siya. Tapos, pagka natuyo yan, ay pagka nalagas, magiging ganyan na. Dami. Damo lang nila dito. Usually, design ng tattoo yan, diga. Mga ganyan. Teka muna, ako aakyat, baka mahulog. Teka muna. Ay, tingnan niya yung taas ng aking inakyat. Ready ka? Apa?
Mama, camel ba yan?
Hindi ko alam, baka.
Hindi yung mataas ang likod na yan.
Nasaan ka?
Kulay brown yun, yung parang kabayang yun.
Hindi ko alam. Okay. Ganda naman ito, sunshine.
Hindi naman indoor.
Tingnan natin. May carousel sa loob.
Is it free?
Siguro anak. I don't know anak. Maybe not. O, huwag ka magtapak dyan ha.
I'm going.
Ayun, may train, Tenny. Let's go, Tenny. Let's go! Ang cute naman nun.
Yan si cameraman. Tulak na strong na. Ano ba yung malaking yan?
Ay, oo, Camel. Tara, nasa Dubai na tayo. Dubai. Uy, may ano yan.
So much food.
Hello, love. Dubai. Camel nga yun, ano?
Mami, mali ka naman. Just takin.
It's called takin.
It's called what?
Takin.
Takin? Oo nga naman. Akala ko naman, ay, camel. May pagtakbo pa ako. Diyos ko po, ari pala. Nakita ko. Takin. Ano yung
Kala ko
takin?
buffalo.
Akala ko rin eh. Akala ko nga eh, camel. Yan, garne. Takin. Takin.
Takin. Hello guys.
Sarap maglakad-lakad. Ang lakas ng hangin.
Malamig. Malamig. 1, 2. Yung mami naman. Dali.
Naiiyamot na ang anak ko.
1, 2.
Kanina ko pa pinaposing sa lahat ng kanto.
1, 2.
Yaan mo na. Yun ang kaligayahan eh.
Ready, 1, 2.
Hello.
Join! Okay. Sa akin naman. So cute!
Hello? Oh! My hair! Oh!
Tenny.
Alrighty. So, any feet still needs to be on the floor. So, as I just explained a moment ago, should we...
Si Aaron? Line up, Aaron.
Wait, this is never faster because
Yeah.
there's more people in the...
Yeah, more people.
Elliot, look! Let's move!
So, kasama na sila.
Anak, can I get picture? 1, 2. Thank you. Oh, sakay na. Sige na. Video mo. Parang inaapoy ng puwit ng anak mo eh.
Sama sila sa isang ano.
Ay, si Bunso ay sinama na doon. Yan. Yan mga chong.
Dali.
Saan sila? Ayun. Video. Kasing. Kasing. Kasing oh.
No, don't go over the train.
Pwede pa lang sabakay dyan?
Sakay ka na ma. Sakay sa pa.
Hindi pwede.
No, Baba.
I'm going with you!
Ala, nilalay, pero hindi. Sa edit, sa live walang edit. Mapamura ka na. Oo ano?
Please, man!
Have snacks.
Ay, I have snacks! I have snacks, anak.
I have snacks.
We can
What?
never eat actually.
Isn't that a thin dress? Don't you feel cold? Oh, she has a big pocket there.
Uy. Elliot. Tawag dito.
Aaron.
Aaron pala. Ayan, si Chong Pinoy Trackers. Subscribe kayo guys. Chong Pinoy Trackers. Kanin.
Tina, si Alicia? Very good, yeah, very good.
Can I have strawberry? Can I have strawberry? Can I have strawberry?
Tenny, may ganyan ka din. Huwag mo nang agawin.
Ang mukha ni Rachi, mama. Si Alicia. Saan si Nin? Si parang Chong. Ah, nasa mushroom.
Combination.
Ay, Alicia, ba tayo? Ang lamig na. Ang lamig na, no?
Si Alicia, manipis ang suot.
Hindi daw siya nilalamig.
Elliot, did you know when Fraser was going to school and someone said hi? He said, that's what he said.
Can you say that again?
I said to a guy, a cactus.
Aaron, can you say that again?
And I said, when somebody said hi to me, I said,
Ang mga basura nyo, ha?
you're supposed to say hi to that. He's staring at us. No, he's not. Almost.
Ulit,
Or.
Are you okay, anak?
Imagine if it was staring right
Elliot.
there.
Kangaroo, guys. Oh. Ayun, is na vero.
Hey!
Ayun, tumingin na pala. Ganda yan. Ayun na nga, isa hukay ng hukay. Dalawa yan, hukay. Ang tawag ay slender-tailed meerkat.
It's a king. It's a sking. Oh, it's a sking. Oh my god. Then the owner played it back. Mariana time!
Ayan guys, ito ang elephant. Biseta siya, ka-shade.
What's an airplane? I don't know how to make the top part. It looks like
Ilong.
Shades naman, be. Wow! Hi!
Dami ng ngipin mo.
Can we stay at the house for a while? Remember? One little duck.
Elliot, wag daw. Susugudin ka niyan. Elliot! Ah, Aaron, no! Aaron, no!
These birds are known as cobra chicken.
Ah.
They will lash out at you and they can break your arm. They're
Oh my
that strong.
gosh.
Be careful. Sinusubo mo na sa bibi na.
Smells like poop in there. Guys, done na sa zoo. Thank you for Aaron's family and
Alicia.
yeah. Thank you guys.
Salamat guys. Pauwi na po kami.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you on the next vlog.